Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today we're working on a dog kennel, and we'll be working on the main building, starting with a concrete cut in the patio, hooking up the downspouts. This week we'll be working on Kennel 1 and Kennel 2. Let's take a look. The problem on the main building has been that the water has been pouring off of the roof onto this concrete patio. Most of the water actually runs back towards the building, and of course from there it just floods out into the field. So what we're doing is we're going to cut a trench to install our downspout drains. Basically we're using our partner saw, and you can see it goes pretty quick through this concrete. It takes us a little while to do this, but once we get this cut, we'll go ahead and remove it. We're going to show you how easy it is to actually remove concrete from the cut. Here we're just making sure that we've cut a good 4 inches, which gets clear through the concrete, and once that's done we're going to remove this concrete using a pry bar, and it just breaks right apart. To break the concrete, it's pretty simple. Basically you need a pry bar, and you continue to hit this concrete until it weakens and cracks. Once it cracks, move back about a foot or so and make another break in the concrete. Continue this process until it's all removed. Once the concrete is removed, go ahead and lay your pipe, connect it to the downspout, and then we cover it with gravel to promote the drainage underneath of the concrete. You can see we used solid PVC to hook up to the downspout. It makes a much better pour around the pipe versus the corrugated, which is run underneath. Continue covering it, and now you see the trench is full with gravel. We're cleaned up and we're ready to add concrete. Just beyond the end of the patio you'll see our main line, which we've installed. We've also hooked up another downspout at the other side of the patio, and it comes across. We had to make another cut across the sidewalk, and you can see the cut here. Now we're cleaning up, and again it has to be pretty clean in order to pour your concrete. Sometimes when you're digging you will find the sprinkler system. We left this exposed. You can see the white pipe, which is the main water line, and the black line, which leads over to a sprinkler head. Here's the finished concrete. It takes a day or so for this to dry, and it will turn extremely white. Here you see the completed trench covered with the concrete cuts and patches. This line continues on out towards the main field. Here we've got it partially covered. Coming out, this line does lead to a storm drain. We'll finish installing and covering, and that'll complete the main building at the dog kennel.